Welcome to GreenVerse, where we explore, learn, and grow. Today, we're discovering one of the world's most elegant indoor plants, the peace lily, scientifically known as Spathiphyllum wallisii. With its graceful white blooms, lush green foliage, and timeless beauty, the peace lily has become a favorite plant for homes, offices, and indoor spaces around the world. Let's explore this remarkable plant together.
Peace lily is a popular indoor plant admired for its elegant white blooms, lush green foliage, and natural air-purifying qualities. Its graceful appearance brings peace, beauty, and freshness to homes, offices, hotels, and many indoor environments, making it one of the world's most loved ornamental houseplants. Peace lily is native to the tropical regions of Central and South America, ranging from Mexico to northern Argentina. It naturally grows in warm, humid forests where abundant moisture and shade provide ideal growing conditions. The plant thrives in temperatures between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius with high humidity, and today it is cultivated worldwide as a beautiful ornamental indoor plant. Peace lily grows from an underground rhizome that stores nutrients and supports new growth. Fine, fibrous roots absorb water and nutrients efficiently from the soil. Short, soft stems arise from the rhizome and support large, glossy green leaves. Its elegant white spathe surrounds the central Spadix, creating the beautiful flowering structure for which the plant is famous. The elegant white structure, commonly called the flower, is actually a modified leaf known as the spathe. As the bloom matures, the white spathe may gradually turn green. Peace lily cultivars differ in foliage color, leaf patterns, plant size, and overall growth habit. Popular cultivars include Sensation, Domino, Picasso, Sweet Chico, and Power Petite. The life cycle of peace lily begins with a seed. After germination, a young seedling emerges and gradually develops its first leaves. As the plant matures, stronger roots and lush foliage form. Eventually, elegant white blooms appear, completing the flowering stage and continuing the natural life cycle. Peace lily grows best in bright, indirect, or filtered sunlight. It thrives in temperatures between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius. The soil should remain consistently moist but never waterlogged. A rich, well-drained soil with good aeration supports healthy growth and long-lasting beauty. Peace lily blooms mainly during spring and summer, although healthy indoor plants may flower throughout the year under ideal conditions. Each bloom generally remains attractive for 2 to 4 weeks. The plant grows at a moderate to fast rate and can live for many years with proper care, continuously producing fresh leaves and beautiful blooms. Peace lily flowers attract small pollinating insects, including bees and flies, which help with pollination. Its dense foliage also provides food and shelter for beneficial insects and small wildlife. By supporting biodiversity and helping maintain healthy, humid environments, peace lily contributes positively to natural ecosystems. Peace lily is highly valued as an ornamental plant for homes, offices, hotels, and indoor decoration. It is also suitable for shaded landscaping, where its elegant foliage enhances natural beauty. Some traditional medicinal uses have been reported, although the plant is mainly cultivated for its ornamental value. Its long-lasting white blooms are also used in floral arrangements. One of the most fascinating features of peace lilies is that the white spathe is not a true flower petal, but a modified leaf. The plant can bloom successfully even under relatively low indoor light conditions. Although native to tropical America, peace lily has become one of the world's most popular houseplants. Interestingly, its leaves often droop when the plant becomes thirsty and quickly recover after watering. Wild peace lily populations face threats from habitat destruction, overcollection, and climate change. Protecting natural habitats and promoting responsible cultivation help preserve these beautiful tropical plants. Everyone can contribute by supporting conservation efforts, growing plants responsibly, and spreading awareness about protecting biodiversity. Peace lily is admired for its elegant white blooms and lush green foliage, while maintaining the same graceful beauty. With bright indirect light, consistently moist, well-drained soil, and proper care, peace lily remains one of the finest indoor ornamental plants, bringing peace, freshness, and natural beauty into our lives. Thank you for watching GreenVerse. We hope you enjoyed learning about the elegant and fascinating peace lily. If you found this episode informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more exciting plant documentaries. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.